Question: why do the unimportant actions and personal sins of unimportant men attract the anger of the universe in this way? The answer, as proved in other parts of the risaleinur and in the previous indications, unbelief and misguidance are terrible aggression and crimes that concern all beings. For one of the most important results of the universe's creation is man's worship and his responding to divine dominicality with belief and submission. However, due to the denial which is a part of disbelief, the people of unbelief and misguidance reject that supreme result, which is the ultimate reason for the continued existence of beings, and they therefore perpetrate a sort of transgression against the being's rights. Moreover, since they deny the manifestations of the divine names which are apparent in the mirrors of beings and exalt their value, they both insult those sacred names, and by degrading the value of all beings, greatly depreciate them. Also, although beings are dominical officials charged with elevated duties, by their unbelief, the people of misguidance cast them down, and showing them to be lifeless, transitory, meaningless creatures, they in a way violate the rights of all of them. Thus, since the varieties of misguidance impair to a greater or lesser extent the dominical wisdom in the universe's creation and the divine purposes in the world's continued existence, the universe becomes angry at the people of rebellion and misguidance, as do all beings and creatures. O wretched man, whose being is small but guilt great and sin grievous! If you want to be delivered from the wrath of the universe, the rage of beings, and the aversion of creatures, here is the means: enter the sacred bounds of the all-wise Quran and follow the practices of Allah's noble messenger, upon whom be blessings and peace, who was the herald of the Quran. So put yourself within its fold and adhere to the practices.